In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress in Infinityfree. We'll go through the setup process from inside your Infinityfree hosting dashboard and use the built-in installer to get WordPress ready quickly. This is a beginner-friendly method, and it's one of the easiest ways to launch a WordPress website without doing a manual installation. Start by logging into the Infinityfree client area. Once you're signed in, head to the Accounts tab where you'll see your hosting accounts listed. Find the active hosting account you want to use for your WordPress site, then click Manage next to it. This opens the account management area for that specific hosting space. From there, click the Control Panel button. Depending on your account and browser session, you may see a data notice appear before entering the Control Panel. If that prompt shows up, simply approve it so you can continue. After that, you'll be taken into your hosting control panel, which is where the website tools and installation options are located. Now that you're inside the control panel, scroll down until you reach the software section. This area contains tools for installing popular web applications without needing to upload files manually or create the setup from scratch. In that section, click Softaculous Apps Installer. Softaculous is the installer that helps automate WordPress setup, which makes the process much faster and less technical. Once Softaculous opens, look for WordPress among the top scripts. It's usually easy to spot because it's one of the most commonly used website platforms. When you find it, click the blue install button to begin the installation process. At this point, you'll be entering the WordPress setup flow through the installer. Make sure you're working on the correct hosting account before proceeding, especially if you have more than one site in Infinityfree. Using Softaculous helps reduce errors and saves time compared to installing WordPress manually, so this is the recommended route for most users. And that's the process for getting to the WordPress installer inside Infinityfree. You've now opened your hosting account, entered the control panel, launched Softaculous, and started the WordPress installation by selecting WordPress and clicking Install. If you're following along on screen, take your time with each click and make sure each page loads fully before moving to the next one. That's it for this walkthrough, and you're now ready to continue with the WordPress installation inside Infinityfree.